1, 2, 3, go. Toby on vocal sender.
Backstory. When I was just walking and I just got some scavenge, one boy called Kazim, he just hit me. Next thing I know, he begins to cry. They break bottles from my head. Then these boys start to beat Kazim. They beat him. They beat him.
Oh, God.
They say I cannot go to the scavenger place. I don't know what I am going to do. My life is ruined.
I'm dead. I can't see it again.